Ugh, I feel extremely bored today, and I can do is stand outside wetside car wash and do nothing. Well, I wonder what I should do. Wait, I have an idea. I'm going to throw an apple pie at the wetside car wash logo. It's going to be funny when the wetside car wash gets covered in apple pie sauce. Ha 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 ha. Oh my God. Look at that. The wetside car wash logo is covered in apple pie sauce. I can't stop laughing at this.
Dark Boomerang Buddy Bro, what is the meaning of this? I just got back from my lunch break and I was about to head back to work at Wetside Car Wash, only to find the Wetside Car Wash logo covered in apple pie sauce. You must have thrown apple pie at the Wetside Car Wash logo so it can get covered in apple pie sauce, didn't you?
Yes, Gary. I threw an apple pie at the wetside car wash logo and got it covered in apple pie sauce, because I was bored from just standing outside wetside car wash, and I thought it would be funny to throw an apple pie at the wetside car wash logo and get it covered in apple pie sauce.
Dark Boomerang Buddy Bro, I can't believe you would do this to the wetside car wash logo. Now the logo is covered in apple pie sauce, thanks to you throwing a pumpkin pie at it. That's it. You're dismissed from this car wash until Saturday. Go home right now while I call your parents about this.
Dark Boomerang Buddy Bro, words can't describe how furious we are at you right now. We can't believe you throw apple pie at the wetside car wash logo and got it covered in apple pie sauce. You know that you are not allowed to do that at all.
But luckily, Gary was able to clean the apple pie sauce off the wetside car wash logo with a soap and a SP. But still, you are grounded until Saturday. Go upstairs to your room right now.